Alrighty, let's get you into one of these very entry-level work-from-home jobs. I have one that's email and chat only, a remote job that will also give you a computer, and I have another pretty good entry-level job that looks like it offers a flexible schedule. That's the one I'm starting off with. It comes to us from the company Radiology Partners. Apparently, they're the largest radiology practice in the United States, and they've been around since 2012. The job I'm sharing is for a service center analyst. You'll work Tuesday through Saturday, and this one offers a flexible schedule. As we scroll down this job description, they tell us they offer flexible remote schedules, as well as your typical benefits package. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $22 to $25 per hour. And this is a pretty entry-level-ish kind of work-from-home job, but it is a little more technical in nature. So if you want to get your foot in the door in tech support, this might be a really good opportunity for you. So you'll resolve incidents and service requests within SLAs, escalating major or complex issues to appropriate support teams. You'll take end-to-end ownership of tickets, maintaining accurate updates and assigning requests to the correct team, provide technical support for desktops, mobile devices, networks, and Microsoft Office applications, and assist users with access issues, including password resets and multi-factor authentication. And you do all that while delivering excellent customer service by logging tickets, communicating progress, and building strong user relationships. And for this job, they want you to have experience in incident or request management, service desk support, and troubleshooting hardware, software, and networking issues. And you're proficient with ticket management systems, preferably ServiceNow, as well as ITIL-based environments. You have a background in providing technical support and excellent customer service with strong written and oral communication skills, and you're familiar with medical-related environments and supporting end users across devices and applications, including Microsoft Office. And they prefer, but they don't require. They prefer you have specific tech-related certifications. Read through them. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. And again, it's just preferred, not required. So now let's talk about our non-phone email chat-based opportunity. It comes to us from the company Visme. So Visme has been around since 2013. They're a privately held software company that provides a cloud-based visual content creation platform. They have an opening for a support agent tier 1. So yep, this job is also a little more technical in nature, but it's a non-phone chat email opportunity, and it's a very entry-level job. You'll answer technical questions, perform account management needs, and answer account and billing inquiries. You'll answer general inquiries about the platform and its capabilities and identify user experiences. So yep, you'll answer support tickets and live chat, collaborate internally with fellow support agents to review technical situations while following proper procedures for ticket management and chat in order to meet SLAs. Now they're looking for someone to work either full-time or part-time Monday through Friday with predefined shifts. And they want you to be available to work 2 to 3 weekends per month. And for this job, they want you to have at least 1 year experience in supporting users, prospects, customers with their needs within a SaaS company. You have strong technical communication skills while also being able to communicate things simply and clearly for users. You have a passion for presentations, communications, and design. You're highly organized, responsive to internal and external stakeholders. You have excellent communication skills. You're familiar with HubSpot, Zendesk, Slack, Google Suite, those sort of tools. You're a problem solver, and you have no problem working in a fast-paced environment. And when it comes to the salary, I'm just scrolling around to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it anywhere on this job description, but based on my experience looking at similar roles, I have a feeling this job could pay anywhere from about $16 to $20 per hour, but I can't guarantee that. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So our last opportunity is a very entry-level work-from-home job that will also give you all the equipment you need to do this job, including a computer. It comes to us from the company Transcom. So Transcom has been around since 1995, and they're a global business process outsourcing company. They're looking for a technical and customer experience advisor, someone who can work at home. This is a full-time opportunity, and as we scroll down to the benefits section down here, they tell us they'll give you all the equipment you need, including an all-in-one computer, monitor, and headset. Now this is important. They tell us the computer contains a built-in webcam that is required to be used for training and meetings. So yep, they'll also train you in this position. but unfortunately it looks like they're only hiring in 26 states within the United States. So hopefully you live in one of the states you see on your screen right now. And if you live within 50 miles of Greenville, South Carolina, this is not a remote opportunity. You'll have to go into the office for this position if you live in that area. So this is a tech support kind of position where you'll be the friendly voice of telecommunications clients to support their customers with smartphones, tablets, and computers. So it sounds like you're going to be an employee of this company, but you're going to be working on behalf of some of their big telephone-related customers. You'll listen to callers and use your technical expertise and passion for outstanding customer service to answer questions about products and services or troubleshoot technical issues to find solutions. In addition, customers may have questions about services on their account. They might need help enrolling in or canceling a service or disputing a charge. And they have some examples of some of the calls you might deal with. If interested, just click on these links, listen to some of the examples, see if this job interests you. They want you to be able to effortlessly engage with the callers, actively listen, analyze, and isolate tech issues, and you're comfortable navigating multiple applications to research solutions. You can multitask, work independently, work in a highly structured environment, and work at a desk and wear an approved headset for the duration of your shift. You're at least 18 years old, you have a high school diploma or equivalent, and you're able to successfully pass a criminal background check. You must show up for work every day on time for your schedule, and you're available to work a variety of shifts, including evenings, weekends, and holidays. You can type at least 30 words per minute. You have good communication skills. You need all your typical soft skills you need for just about every job, including you're comfortable using computers. They prefer you have experience reviewing financial transactions and assigning customers that need help enrolling in or canceling a service or disputing a charge. And they also prefer you have experience in technical support or troubleshooting issues, and they prefer you have previous call center and or work from home experience. And those last three things I just mentioned are just preferred, they're not required. Now, I don't think I mentioned the salary. Going back up to the top of the job description, yep, right here they tell us they'll pay you $17.31 per hour. So that's all I have for you in this video. Hopefully one of these entry-level work-from-home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for some part-time opportunities, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.